viewers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on the link, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out. They can ship it to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Happy Friday. It is the weekend. Let's see what's inside. So definitely check them out. We got Father's Day coming up, so you might want to start ordering some stuff online. And you might get one of these. This is coming from VF. SENZER Bluetooth, okay. So SENZER, there's a lot of names on here. Okay, SENZER Eco 3 BTU Bluetooth. Yes, universal. Ooh, these look sweet. Stereo audio, Bluetooth, USB drive, micro SD, aux line, FM radio, 7 colors, LED, RGB, OPP. Here we go. Warranty. Oh, these look nice. Fancy. LED, RGB, LED. Let's take a look inside. Definitely going to test these out. Probably going to set this up in my room. But for now, we're probably going to do in this room. So this is what it looks like when you get it. Bada boom. Alright, oh, these are tiny. Oh. Alright. Definitely got some space for these guys. Got some kind of display right there. It's super lightweight too, so definitely interested to see how these sound. I think I've got one out. Oh yeah. Bottom. And these are like super lightweight. Okay, that's that one. And now let's open this one. And then after that, we'll take out the subwoofer and see how that looks. And then final step will be at the computer, testing this thing out. But you can use pretty much anything, you know, your phone, laptops, desktops, anything Bluetooth. Really nice. Hopefully it's easy to connect. Even this thing is like super light. This is crazy. I remember back in the day they were like heavy as AF, you know? So, you tuck the shit. Okay, that's me. Got that out of the way. Got these out of the way. Kind of looks like a third speaker. They say all match. Everything looks good. There's a USB, and there's a speaker wire, whatever it is. Here we go. Could have it like, oh, this would probably be the best way because it has the slip guards right there. Maybe you could put something on top of it if you wanted to, but you never know if you're a serious gamer and got that bass going. It might knock some stuff off of it, so you might just want to leave it blank as it is. I got the knob right here. Easy push buttons. That's a good thing. Oh yeah. And right here, you just connect this guy to the back right right there. It's kind of hard to do. Hold on. And that's where it plugs into. Got it set up. And now we're going to hook this up to the computer. Alright guys, we got them all set up. Right there. Has a nice RGB mood. Look at that. And it's cool. Now let's turn this on. Or is that off? Okay. Alright. Volume. Let me go on YouTube for a second. Alright guys, we got it plugged in. These sound amazing. Listen to this. You can see the RGBs and the speakers lighting up. You can just switch it out. That's a FM radio. And there you go. I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder why. This is the Max. I do believe. Very impressive. These sound amazing. Testing out video gaming, movies. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. I can help you out. So, we'll do one more. But yeah, these are amazing. Like I said, Bluetooth, you can use a cord, laptops, iPads, MacBooks, desktops. It's always good to give it a few hours, you know, playtime. Let it run through, test them out. But I usually don't listen to techno, so I guess this is techno. But yeah, it sounds amazing. Great bass, great vocals, great highs. But definitely check it out for Father's Day. Under $50. Can't go wrong with this set. So VF, I forgot what the full name, but definitely the link will be down below for you guys. Check them out. Click it. You guys have a good weekend. Be safe and see you soon.